You've reached 911. What's your emergency?
Well, I just made these chords and I think they are super sick. I just want to kind of show them to anyone, but I don't have any friends that would like to take a listen to chords. I thought I'd call 911 hoping that there would be any producer who would like to look and see and hear some super sick, super soft chords. Do you want to hear any super sick, super soft chords? Man, young lady, old man, 911 guy?
Yeah, of course I want to hear some super sauce. Actually, I'm a producer myself and I love making future bass.
Oh, what a coincidence. Wow, I am so lucky. Yo, check this out.
Wow, these are some insanely cool, clean, saucy chords. How the hell did you make them?
Yo, it's actually none of your business, but thanks for listening. Have a great day, and I'll call you tomorrow, okay? And I'll show you more sounds. Okay, goodbye.
Let's make a track. I don't know what we're gonna be making today, but definitely it's gonna be sick. We're gonna make something vibey, bouncy. Ooh, how about we combine a guitar and the Middle East instruments? I recently started using Phrygian scale and it's super good. Oh yeah! Actually, let's use serum and let's make a lead. So we're gonna do a sine wave like this. Add hyperdementia, add a lot of distortion. Add a lot of... And add a guitar rig. I have no idea. This idea sucks. Okay, let's do another one. The different one. Different idea. Better idea. This sucks. Okay, new idea, better idea. Let's go. Let's go with like a chord progression first. Okay, oh yeah. Ooh, these are sick chords. I think a good idea would be to add some arps. Okay. Okay, we have some Ooh. I think we need a big piano. How about that? The Giant. A big piano, the Giant. Wide piano. Emotional big piano. Okay, pretty good. Delay, ping pong. Oh, and reverb on that. Okay, so we need to start with some intro thing. Yeah, this guy needs to have an automation that will be opening till here. Oh. We need a pad. Soothe, always on pads. Yeah, here we need a bigger pad, and I think this guy is gonna work perfectly. maybe actually a different one. Okay, so here something's gonna get introduced. Oh, at the beginning I like to put just impact. Okay, so we're getting even more. We are gonna add even more elements. Like this sound is kind of like a rainy sound, so I'm gonna put a rain here. Oh yeah. We're making like a big path, so this one, and this one, and then this one. This is like one element. And this one is sick. So this harp, because it's having like a low attack, and it's having a delay, and it's having a low pass, it works really well with the rest of the pads, because it kind of gives like a rain, like a watery effect. It's great. Okay, so we're gonna end on B, and we're gonna do a little bit of a chord switch here. I think we can add drums here because it's like maybe too boring. So we're gonna put a little reverb on it, and what we're gonna do, like this, do this, and like boom, check this out. Oh yeah. Okay, so we need like a sick top loop. This should be good. Oh, this has a sick rhythm. So I'm gonna put it here just so we have some rhythm. I know the name is super sick. That's just how creative I am while naming samples. If you get sample packs, the samples are named normally. Okay, so for this we're gonna need a sick kick. So as you can see, I'm using this future bass pack that's gonna be coming out soon. So this sounds like complete awful garbage, but I saved a rack, right? Recently I gave you a rack. This is sick. Ooh, hell yeah. Oh, this one, exactly. I'm so lucky today. Ooh. 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 This is good. Would be good if I had like a rap vocals. Yeah, why not? Why not to use some D-cup ones?
One hop like this, make it knock like this, make it pop like this, make it knock like this, make it pop like this, make it knock like this, make it pop like this, this, make it drop like.
How about I add a sword here?
This, make it drop. Pop like this, make it drop like.
Wow. Okay, now we are doing an automation, a pitch automation. So like something like that. So I'm gonna do this. IDQ. We are leaving this peak because that's gonna just have it some tonality.
This, make it knock like this, make it pop like this,
Make it drop like
this, make it drop like, it drop like,
hey.
drop like.
You know what's cool? What we could do? Let me resample that drop. You can mess with these ones, and it's just super fun to listen to like different pitch versions of your song. Oh yeah! Or slow ones. Okay, so that's it. Wow, pretty good. Let's take a listen to the whole thing.
Make it pop like this, make it knock like this, make it pop like this, this, make it drop like this, make it drop like make it drop like.
Great. Let me know what you think about this track. Super fun, super heavy, super cool. Have a nice day and see you in the next one. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, you can cite that subscribe button. Also, you can visit my site oversample.us for some high quality samples, presets and free sounds.